As part of measures to improve healthcare through qualitative research and training, the Medical Laboratory Council of Nigeria organized a 3-day workshop for stakeholders in the council. Speaking to ITV News at the end of the workshop, the Registrar and Chief Executive Officer of the Medical Laboratory Council of Nigeria, Dr. Tosan Erhabor, says there is room for continuous updates for licensed professionals in the field.
The only thing that is constant is change. So we felt that our people that we use, our colleagues, needs to be given the latest of best practices. That is one of the reasons why we have asked them to come, so that when they go for an activity for us, they give us the best we are looking for.
Dr. Tosan highlights the remarkable role the council has played in the health sector since he assumed office as a registrar.
Its enormous impact has happened since we took over as registrar of this organization. Now we have about 3 facilities which has international recognition, and what those facilities stands for is for quality of service, quality of result that goes to the patients that they are being used for treatment.
The need to facilitate more comprehensive discussions for medical laboratory scientists to exchange insights, experiences and knowledge to advance the field cannot be overemphasized. Chu Kaunghai, ITV News.